A very good afternoon to one and all. I'm Dr. Pallavi Patil from Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigri. I'm working as an assistant professor in the pharmaceutical chemistry department. Today, I'm going to take one of the B.Pharm topic, that is first year B.Pharm, pharmaceutical organic chemistry. Topic is amines. And with this, we will start the second one. These are the amines, and this is the structure of amines. The amines contain a nitrogen is heavy, a carbon is heavy, but the restricted any three compounds of attachment of the alkyl group, which is having R1, R2, R3. We will see the amines. In these structures, we will see a certain organic chemistry of amines. These amines functions and amine compound is having a group which is having a basic nitrogen atom with a one lone pair of electron. The amines is also forming a certain derivatives of ammonia. One or more hydrogen atom is replaced by the substitution of alkyl aryl group, that is R1, R2, R3. The substitution of NH2 when the attached to the amine group, we call it a amino group. Inorganic derivative of the ammonia is called as amine, monochloroamine. Then types of amine. There are the two types of amine. Is the aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. Aliphatic amines is as simple as smallest structures and having a bounded to the nitrogen atoms. And in this structure, we are simply identify the compound. Then the structure which is having aromatic ring and NH2, it is aniline. The compound is aniline, and the compound aromatic more rings attached to the nitrogen. Diphenylamine. This is the phenyl ring. This is phenyl ring. This is the benzene ring. It is the aniline. Due to these structures may be overcome to the name of that. You can easily identify it. And these nitrogen atom derived from alkyl. Then classification of amine. The classification is defined as according to the nature and the substitution of a nitrogen, we are defined the classified. There are the three classified of the amines. A primary amines having a 1R and 2 hydrogens with the one lone pair of the nitrogens. It is replaced, this hydrogen may be by alkyl or aromatic group. Then these are the secondary and these are the tertiary. The secondary is a heavy. There is the two type attachment of the substitution of R1 and R2, maybe from the alkyl, aryl or the both. But a one hydrogen is remain here. Whereas the tertiary amines is the 1R, 2R and 3R. Means the all hydrogen replaced by organic substitution alkyl or aryl or the both, and single nitrogen is having a lone pair of electron. This is a classification of amines, which is you can write a very simple way. Now the reaction and the reactivity of amines is what? The reactivity of amines is the basicity. Dominant reactivity of amine is always neutrophilicity. Neutrophilicity means the electron always donating to the completion of the chemical reactions which is required for the complete reaction. The primary amines having a good ligands for the metal ions to form the quadratic complexes. Amines is also alkylate by alkyl halide additions, or we can say there are the acyl chloride or acid anhydride reacted with the primary and secondary amide to form the amides. Now, what is a alkylation? Amine alkylations means there is an addition of hydrohalogenations to the amines. This is a typical reactions in between the alkyl halides and ammonia or an amines. The reaction is definitely neutrophilic, means they are donating a lone pair of electron in the aliphatic substitutions. And this is reactions products with the high substitutions of the amine. For example, primary or secondary amine, if you are considering an addition of any halogen alkane. So the formation of alkyl substitution alkene and synthesis of the halogen acids. This is the primary or secondary tertiary amines synthesized by the alkylation reaction. Now, the acylation means what? The reactions in which the amine form amide. This is the addition of the oxygens, and with this alcohol also synthesized. Sorry, ester is also synthesized by the neutrophilic acyl substitutions. Acyl is also used to prevent a rearrangement. It's very simplified reactions you can write down. This reaction is called as alkylation. Now, a sulfonation. Sulfonations means what? The addition of the sulfuric acid in the aromatic substitution of amine. Here is the aniline and we are going to add a sulfuric acid. There is an attachment by the neutrophilic substitutions where the aromatic rings form the electrophilic aromatic substitutions. Here is a positive and here. These are the two type of reaction. If it is in the heat thermal, it is a maybe stabilized, but when it is the cold, it may be a somehow unstable and replaced again by the releasing sulfuric acid to the side. Then diazotization. Diazotization means what? The chemical process is converted to the aromatic amine into diazo salt of amine. Is called as diazotizations. In this, a nitrous acid we are using to give the diazonium salt generation. These are the diazonium salt. These salt are generated in presence of nitrous acid with the amine group attached. Now the reactions are different types. If the amines formation is very important to synthesize with the help of primary amine reacted to the ketone and aldehyde to form amines. In the case of acetaldehyde or in the case of formaldehyde, yeah, the existence in the trimers. Now these are the amines when it's reacted with the ketonic compound or aldehyde compound, the synthesis of the amines. The reduction of amines is gives always a secondary amines. In this a simple way, R2H. And the secondary amines also reacted with the ketonic to formation anamines. Okay, this is very simple reaction and convenient the way when the amines get reacted with the alcohol, get reacted with the ketone or aldehyde. The uses of amines is the aromatic amines is useful for the starting material for the production of azo dye. Azo dye synthesis. For this, we are using the aromatic amines. Then secondary, there are many type of the natural amines get interfering the drug designs. For the drug design or the big drug pathway, there is the interference of action of natural amines get trapped. This is maybe a chances from the herbal side of interpretations or herbal type of synthesized or interpretations or the different compounds. Now the amines are also used in the artificially fibers making. Artificially fibers with the help of amines you can prepare. The aromatic amines is also useful for the detergent production. This is the uses of amines and aromatics. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening me carefully and give your valuable time to me. And if you have any doubts, any queries, please add to the chat box. I will definitely reply you as soon as possible. And if you are means soon I am uploading this video to the YouTube. If you have any doubts on the YouTube links, I will give the email address, so you can contact me by email and you can ask me direct questions to the email. I will definitely reply you as soon as possible. And thank you very much again, once again. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.